Good day. By the way, my name is Julie Bibano Tigian, and I am going to create a video presentation where you have where I am going to demonstrate and explain each line on how I solve the given problem, which I am going to create a Java program in array that find the duplicate values in an array. So this is the input, the sample input, and the expected output. So let's begin to our code or to our program. So first, I'm going to discuss the package file. Package file declares the package for the code. So these packages are used to organize related classes. So the name of the package is file. So you would need a folder name filed in your project source directory for this to compile correctly. So for the sake of our code or our program to become correctly compiled correctly, uh, we need to have this package file. So without this, it will never uh, compiled correctly. So another one is import Java util scanner. Java.util imports all classes from the Java.util package. So this package contains many useful classes for working with collections of data. So it includes hash map, array list, list map, etc. So if I'm going to delete this, import the Java. This, as you can see, it's have an error, which are the map, list, hash map, array list, list, etc. So it is very crucial import the Java.util. So this to avoid an error or for our program, for the sake of our program to become compiled correctly or to run directly. So another one is public class find duplicate. So the name of our public class is find duplicate, where we are going to find a duplicate. So another one is public class void main string args. So this is the main method of our program. So the entry point of the program. So it creates an integer array with some sample values and then calls the find duplicates method to process. So this line int array is equal to 1231241 declares an integer array named array and initializes it with the values of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. So another one is find duplicate. This is also the method to find a duplicate. So this array contains some duplicate values. So the number 1 appears 3 times and the number 2 appears 2 times. So as you can see, integer or the initializations of array. Another one is public static void find duplicates. So this is the find duplicates method, another duplicate method or the main method to find the duplicate. So it takes the integer array as input. It creates a hash map called map. So this hash map will store each unique number from the array as a key, and the value associated with each key will a list of the indices where that number appears in the So another one is this line. So this line, this is the loop. So this loop iterates through the input array for each element array I. So if map contains key, this line, it checks if the elements already exist as a key in the map. So if it is exists or returns true, it means we've seen this number before. The map get array I adds the current index I to the list associated with that number. So if it doesn't exist or it returns to false, it it's the first time we've seen this number. So a new array list if it is false. So the index I is added to it and the number and its list are added to the map. So another one is this line. Let's begin the for each loop. This one. So for uh this loop iterates over each entry in the map. So map, this assumed to be a hash map where keys or integer represents unique numbers from an array. Then the values or list integer are list of indices where those numbers appear in the array. So entry set, this one, entry set is the method returns a set view of the hash map's entries. Each entry is a key value pair. And the map entry, this one, map entry integer declares a variable entry to hold each key value pair. So it indicates that the key is an integer, a number, and the value is a list integer, a list of number representing indices. So another one is the if condition. So this condition checks if the current entry represents a duplicate. So entry that get value. So this one, this accesses the value part of the current entry, which is a list integer containing the indices where the number key appears. Then also the size gets the number of elements in the list, how many times the number appears. So that's it. That's the purpose of the if condition. So another one is this system that print duplicate value found plus entry get key at plus at end. So additional of if condition, it checks if the number of indices is greater than 1. If true, it means the number is duplicate. So followed by this system that print duplicate value found. If the if condition is true, the following code executes. So system that print then duplicate value found. This one. So this prints the duplicate value. Para makita nato ang value unsa ang value nga kinahang nga atong gipangita. So, the inner for loop iterates through the list of indices. So, entry that get value. Entry that get value. This adds a comma and space between the indices for better readability, except for the last index. So system that out that print line. This adds a new line after printing all the indices for a single duplicate. So in short, this code efficiently iterates through a hash map, uh, presumably populated earlier to store duplicate numbers and their indices, and prints those duplicates along with their locations in the original array. The use of a hash map makes this approach efficient even for large arrays. So if we're going to run this, our output is this. Duplicate value found, 1 at index 036. So why? Why our duplicate value, the duplicate value of 1 at index is 0, 3, and 6. So in array, um, we are going to count from 0. Although the integer is 7, but when we are going to count it, we are going to count it from 0 like this. This is the 1, and the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the value of 1, the value is 1, and the index of it is then 1, 0. Another one, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 and 3. Another one is 4, 5, and 6. So the expected output is 036, which is nagbalik-balik siya. Nagbalik-balik ang number, which continues gihapon ang counting. Another one is duplicate value found 2 at index 1 and 4. So why? Nga ang index sa 2 is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 because 0, 1, then 1 man siya, then 2, 3, and 4. Manilain 2, sila lang duha, and the duplicate value found, and the index of 2 is 1 and 4. So that's all, and thank you so much.